This one truly, truly might be the easiest watercolor you ever do. So we're starting just with a basic white crayon, and this one happens to be broken. You can see I can just pull out half of it if I wanted to, but I've got both of my kids' crayon boxes from elementary school, and they are both in their 20s now. And so we are dealing with vintage Crayola today, and that's okay. So I'm just going to write my message on here, which you've probably already seen that I am writing "You are loved" and then a little heart at the bottom. But I wanted to, before I speed my video up, I just want to show you. Watch me when I do the letter O here next. I'm going over it several times because you just want to make sure you have good coverage of the crayon, because the thicker the waxy crayon that you have on there, the clearer your message or picture is going to be, because that waxy crayon is going to repel the paint so that your message or picture can be revealed. And it's just so fun. I am having to push down pretty hard on this, so I don't know if that's because I do have this really old crayon or what, but either way, it just go over it several times so you have good coverage. And you don't have to come up with a message to write. You could make it so simple, like draw a happy face. Just do two dots for the eyes, a little dot for the nose, and a little smile. I mean, it can just be as simple as you'd like it to be. And just adding a heart there at the bottom, just have fun with it. And I did notice there's a couple spots up at the top I might want to add hearts to, but I decided just to leave it. So I'm just going to go ahead and dip my brush in the water and then start just dipping into my red. I've decided just to use red today. You could use many colors if you wanted to, whatever you'd like. You can see I'm going back and forth from the water to the paint because you're going to want quite a bit of water and quite a bit of color on your paintbrush before you apply it to the paper. And then here we go. Ta-da! Look how fun that is. Can you imagine doing this with a child? I mean, I'm a 50-year-old woman and this is exciting for me. So how fun would it be to do this with a child and let them see their picture or words? They could just do their name even. It would be exciting. So I just go ahead and play with that. Obviously I did diagonal. You could do horizontal, vertical, whatever you want. And I'm just playing with these with the color until I like what it looks like. But you guys, you could do this on a greeting card, just fold a piece of paper in half and do it that way. You could pop this in a frame. Just so much fun. What a fun way to brighten somebody's day. You could send it in the mail to somebody or just spread the love however you see fit. It would be super fun to just write a little message on the paper, and when your kids get home from school, have them get the paints out and see what you wrote. If you'd like more fun and easy watercolor projects, please subscribe. See you next time.